Hello YouTube, it's me, the Mukisa 11. Here's another install of my lock extensions. My client had a tapered haircut and she was experimenting with color shortly after ordering her locks. So we went ahead and installed her locks in 1B and then filled in those areas afterwards to make it look a little bit more seamless and natural. This is the first lock that was installed. We ended up using 76 locks in size small to medium, which is about 0.7 to 0.8 centimeters thick. As you can see, the three colors basically, the natural black of her hair, a little bit of brown, and then the Wumpy virgin tips. And it will be washed and dyed in the next clip. And this is what it looks like after I added a little bit. Because her hair was lighter, it picked up the natural black, and it didn't take very long. So this is what it looks like when it was all dry. Again, she had 76 locks in total, so small to medium. The parts are random. And I'm excited for her new journey. She's going to be moving, so this will be a great start for her. A head full of locks and a fresh start in Boston. So thanks for watching.